So we're hiking down to the brink of the falls at the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone. And we're just now getting to the overlook after like 20 switchbacks getting down here. You can feel feel the waterfall, the power of the water like pounding against your chest. This is awesome.
Ethan, what do you think?
It's the highlight of the day. This is awesome.
All right, so the crazy switchback hike we just did
We were over there a minute ago.
took us all the way down there where those tiny little ant people are. And now we're at the other end of the falls. That is amazing.
On the hike we just did, there were lots of construction areas, and that was because the water is softening all the rocks, so they have to, so all the rocks, a lot of the rocks are disappearing.
This is incredible.
Here's a sight I'll probably never see again. That's a bald eagle in the top of that dead tree and a doe elk standing underneath it. This is in Mammoth Hot Springs in North Yellowstone. All right, so we made it up to Mammoth Hot Springs, and we're walking up to the spring formations or whatever, I don't know what they're called, but we're walking up there right now after we just finished some lunch.